What to do if the radiator isn't heating? Measuring the radiator's temperature with a thermometer, we notice that some areas are hot while others are cold. Specifically, we note that the coldest part is located near the vent valve. Therefore, that coldest area most likely contains air, not water, which must be removed. To do this, place a basin or glass under the valve and open it slightly. Keep it open until you hear air coming out. The job is complete when only water comes out. To verify that we've done a good job, let a few minutes pass and measure the temperature again. As you can see, even the area that was previously cold has warmed up.